Hello, welcome back to Travels with Bieber and welcome to Farnborough Airshow. Yes, we are back here once again at this huge international trade exhibition for the aerospace industry. Millions of pounds worth of deals are passing through this place every hour throughout the 5-day show. Major airlines from across the world are also here to show off their brand new aircraft and snazzy new interiors. And that's what we're here to check out. So please, come and join me.
Welcome on board.
Right, so I've literally just arrived and I'm wasting no time in coming here. The hottest attraction in town. Everybody is talking about this. Qatar Airways, an incredible airline featuring probably the best business class product in the world called Qsuite. Everybody raved about it when it came out. It was one of the very first in the world to have a suite and a door. So you'd forgive Qatar for not really doing anything else to it. But they have. They've updated it and they've taken it to a whole new level. This is called Qsuite Next Gen. So first of all, welcome to the very highlight of the new Qsuite. This is the companion suite. Now, next to it here, we've got the new quad suite. With the current quad suite, which is brilliant, but this takes it to a whole new level. You've got the ability to open it up into one quad suite, as it says on the tin. So you've got the ability to turn 4 individual suites into a quad suite where a family of 4, a group of 4 can dine with each other, talk to each other. You've got double beds in this one. It's incredible. I'm going to show it you next, but first, it's all about this. The companion suite, you can now, as couples, do what you can do in there, but by the window. Cool, right? Now, I couldn't do it justice if I explained to you what this is all about and what's happened, what's been updated, what makes this so special. So let me get one of these wonderful cabin crew members to give you a tour.
Welcome to the Qsuite New Generation. Welcome on board. So mainly the new difference of this Qsuite is this one is the window seat. On the previous one, this screen could not be folded, but this is no longer a problem. With this new Qsuite New Generation here, TV screen can be folded to have a more social area here, as well as over here. Newer functions, everything is touchscreen. You can select the desired suite lighting. Over here, you could see the lights changing, as well as suite controls. During dinner experience, you can recline the seat and move it closer here. Back and forth. And as we know, all our suite beds, they can recline fully into a flat bed. All our seats and beds for this one has been upgraded with the size to make it more spacious. For example, the seat with the armrest area is bigger by 2 inches. And as well as for the beds is by 1 inch longer. This one, the storage, you can actually now set a pin lock. So 4-digit codes. I'll just show you over here. Drawer lock. Place your valuables inside. Press 1, 2, 3, 4, lock. So just like that, very convenient, very safe. So you make sure your belongings are safe inside there. As well as here, over here, we have a compartment just for your laptop. And another cool thing is also No more cables. Everything is now wireless charging. But if you wish, we still have all the charging support available. For the dinner table, it's also been upgraded in size. Now it's a very spacious. Also here we've had made a dedicated storage for shoes area. So you get more space to relax here. So we hope to see you on board.
So there you go, that's the companion suite. Now I'm sitting in it myself to see what it's like, and it is super comfortable. I do love this seat, and this is just another way of looking at it from my point of view. Sat in the seat, you've got so much room around you, you really have. Like the woman explained, you've got so much storage space around you. You've got the table itself, you've got this area here, you've got an area to store your shoes away. Let me see what that's like. There you go. You've got this little cubby here as well. If I press this button, there you go. More storage there. And yeah, you've just got a really comfortable seat. Now, obviously, the biggest selling point of this seat is the fact that you can now, as couples, not as groups of 4 like you do in the quad suite, you can now, as couples, by the window as well, sit opposite each other with a full open space like that. I mean, at the moment with the Qsuite, you can do that with the quad suite. You can just, split it into 2, so you've just got these 2 sat next to each other. But here you've got the opportunity to do it by the window and with much more space. You can look at each other, not look to the side, but look at each other, and it just looks remarkable. This is going to be such a popular product. It really is. This is the big highlight of the new Next Gen Qsuite, the companion suite. Anyway, I'm going to now go to the quad suite, where I'm going to go in much more detail myself and get a good view of what all the new features are like. Let's go. So, welcome to the quad suite. This is the very thing that made Qsuite so sensational, so groundbreaking when it first came out. Having the ability to turn individual suites in the middle of the aircraft, in the aisle, into a quad suite. That's already incredible, but this is just next level, next gen. Let me talk you through it, and let me actually show you what it looks like in a single suite mode. So this is how it would look in a single suite mode, okay? Now, at the moment, when you want to turn this into a quad suite, you would bring the privacy divider down, and it would look like that. Similar to that, not the same, but look like that. You'd have the obstruction of the in-flight entertainment screen. But they've changed that now. So rather than having the obstruction, you've now got the ability to stow away, as simple as that, to stow away the in-flight entertainment system, bring the privacy down, and it's actually now a full-on open quad suite. So if you're here as one of 4, a family or a group of friends, you can have a whole open quad suite. You can have your meal together, you can talk directly at each other, you just really immerse yourself in this suite as a 4. No obstructions whatsoever. It's incredible. So let's have a look at it in more detail. So here is how it looks around me. There is my footwell with a lovely mood lighting there. And here's how it looks on the table. Really sleek marble surface, feels really luxury. The seat itself, really comfortable. Got so much space, I can just open my arms out like that. Wonderful. Right, storage is the next thing I'll talk about. That's another new thing. This thing here is a storage cubby for you to put your things, and then you can just put it away like that. Now, this is where it gets cool. You've now got the ability to set a PIN number for your storage cubby here and lock your things away safely and securely. Now, I don't think it's needed, because when you're in business class, you're not going to be around anyone who's nicking stuff, are you? But it's still not, I mean, that's the thing about business class, isn't it, and first class even. It's unnecessary things, but it just makes it feel so much more luxurious. And that's what you're getting here. So you can set a PIN number to lock away your things safely and securely. So that's really cool. You've got another storage cubby here. Again, everything looks so sleek and modern. It's just beautiful to look at. So there's another one there. So you've got so much space for your belongings. You've also got all the tables here. Then you've got another area here to store things. You've also got a plug socket there, as well as over here a USB-C port and headphone socket. Here, another new cool feature, wireless phone charging. That's brilliant, that is. Really nice. You've also got the amenity kit. I'll tell you what, I really want to take this home with me. Moving on, let's go back to this control panel here. So let's go to the home button. Here are all your options. Now another new feature is this here, Qsuite lighting. You've now got the ability to change the mood lighting in your own suite. So I can change it to cozy, as you can see there, to focus, a nice orangey light there, daylight, a nice blue light, warm, TV time, and default. How unnecessary, but again, amazing is that. That is wonderful. So you've got that. Moving on, you've got the privacy divider here, the option to bring it down. As you can see, I'm now bringing it down. Then I can bring it back up like so. So moving on, I've got this is another, I'm not sure if it's a new option, but it's another option. The option to press this button. If I press confirm, that sends a signal to the cabin crew, a notification, to come and make my bed turn down service. I love that, that's amazing. So when I press that confirm button, a member of the cabin crew will come around and make my bed for me. That is really cool. And finally, you've got, again, as I was showing you earlier, the ability to lock your storage away. Nice. Now, the last thing to do is the suite controls. Everyone's favourite part of a business class cabin is this, isn't it? And a first class cabin, obviously. So let's press the button that we all know and love. That. Now, what's really cool is if I press that once, I don't have to press and hold on to it. Just once, tap it once, and the seat will do the rest. It's, as we speak, folding flat to make a bed for me. And I've actually still got my trainers on. Now, you would never have your trainers on when you're doing this. You would usually not be able to fit your feet in the footwell to do this, but I can, which goes to show how much space I actually have. Now, again, you take your trainers off for this, and I have loads of room down there in the footwell. And as for up here, wow, I've got so much space. I can move my arms out. It looks so private. In fact, you can see me there. Hello. So yeah, it's so private, so secluded with the privacy divider. And if that screen is coming out, you've got your own cocoon, which is what Qatar's famous for. It's incredible. So yeah, loads of space. Seats really comfortable. I could see myself feeling really comfortable here. Now, I know that that looks tight, but please remember that I'm currently wearing my trainers there. But yeah, anyway, we are now going back up to an upright position. And last but not least, not a new thing, but we can't leave it out. This, one of the very things to make Qsuite so popular. You can close the door, it's really high. My head is here, you can't really see anyone walking past. But yeah, couldn't not show you the door, it looks so cool. Anyway, let's open that up and bring this video to a close. And there we have it, everyone, Qsuite Next Gen. What did you make of that? Please comment your thoughts below, I'd love to hear them. The next question though is, when are we going to see this in the sky? Qatar said it's going to be installing this on its brand new Boeing 777X, and that's not actually out yet. That's not due out until the end of 2025, possibly early 2026, because it's still going through its testing and certification at the moment. But when it is ready, hopefully by end of 2025, we'll see this in the sky. So if you like this video, please click on the like button and please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed this video, and hopefully the next video will be a little bit higher than ground level. Thank you so much for watching, and from here at Farnborough at the Qatar Airways suite, see you in the next one. Bye for now.